Welcome to our training on the Product ID Overview. Most products sold on Amazon are required to have an industry-standard product ID. Product IDs are part of a universal system called GTIN, or the Global Trade Identification Number System. This system is used by Amazon and across other marketplaces. It's managed by an international organization called Global Standards 1, or GS1 for short. GTINs ensure that products are uniquely identified while being bought and sold, and they help sort and track items in transit. Each GTIN pairs with a unique barcode, which makes product IDs scannable. In most cases, you'll need to provide a GTIN when you create a new product detail page on Amazon. A GTIN is also the surest way to match your offer to an existing product already sold on Amazon. If you match a listing using other information like a brand or product name, Amazon will automatically associate your offer with the GTIN provided by the brand owner or brand qualified seller who first listed the product. There are a few cases in which a GTIN is not required to create a product detail page. In those cases, you'll apply for a GTIN exemption instead. This could occur if you're selling a private label or handmade product for which the brand, manufacturer, or publisher does not provide a GTIN. You might also apply for an exemption if you're selling product parts or bundled products in a single pack. GTIN exemptions are rare. In general, most products sold on Amazon use one of the following GTINs: a Universal Product Code, or UPC, an International Standard Book Number, or ISBN, a European Article Number, or EAN, or a Japanese Article Number, or JAN. EANs and JANs are also sometimes referred to as International Article Numbers. UPCs, ISBNs, EANs, and JANs vary in length, but each acts as a unique product identifier. Most product categories sold on Amazon require a specific GTIN type. In many cases, it will be UPC. You can often find the GTIN for a product above or below the barcode on its packaging or on the product's shipping container. It's important to note that each variation of a product will have its own product ID. If a product comes in different sizes or colors, each version will have its own GTIN. For example, a small blue shirt will have a different GTIN than the same blue shirt in medium. A large green shirt will have a different GTIN than the same large shirt in red. It's also important to note that a GTIN is different from a product's ASIN and SKU. While a GTIN is a registered, universally recognized product ID used across international trade, ASINs and SKUs are Amazon and seller specific. An ASIN, or Amazon Standard Identification Number, is an automatically assigned number used by Amazon to identify and track products in our catalog. A SKU, or Stock Keeping Unit, is a seller-specific number that can be used internally to help you identify and track your inventory. While all three numbers help different groups identify, track, buy, and sell products, only GTINs are universal, and they're the number you'll use most often to list products on Amazon. Depending on the product you're listing, you might need to locate an existing GTIN, obtain a new one, or apply for an exemption. For more information about finding or obtaining a GTIN, see our training on Find or Obtain a Product ID. For more information about applying for a GTIN exemption and creating a new product detail page without a product ID, see our training on Apply for a Product ID Exemption. You can also find more information about GTINs, including requirements by product category, by searching GTIN or Product ID on Seller Central. This concludes our training on Product ID Overview. Thank you, and happy selling on Amazon.